Good morning, children. Welcome to the today video section of 10th Standard Social Science Geography Unit 3 India Agriculture Part 3 videos. Today we are going to see the cash crops. Cash crops, the crops which are cultivated for commercial purpose, are called cash crops. These crops include sugarcane, tobacco, fiber crops, jute, and oil seeds. Sugarcane. It is the second largest producer in the world. This crop provides a raw material for the sugar industry, which is the second largest industrial category of our country. At the state level, Uttar Pradesh is the leading producer of sugar cane, followed by Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, and Gujarat. Cotton is the most important cash crop of India. It provides the raw material to the largest industry of India. India ranks second next to China. Jute. Jute is the jute. It is a tropical fiber crops. Grows well in the alluvial soil. It provides raw material for the jute industry. It is used for manufacturing of gunny bags, carpets, zines, ropes, string, rugs, cloth, etc. Oil seeds. Oil seeds the premier source of the fat in the Indian diet are derived from the number of crops like groundnut, rapeseed, mustard, sesame, lime seed, sunflower, cotton seed, etc. Plantation crops. Plantation crops are cultivated for the purpose of export. These are cultivated in large estate on hilly slopes. Tea, coffee, rubber, spices are the major plantation crops of India. Tea is an evergreen plant that mainly grows in tropical and subtropical climate. Tea is a labor intensive and grows faster under the light shade. Coffee is grown in shade and grows effectively in the altitude between 1000 to 1500 above means sea level. Rubber. Rubber plantation were first established in Kerala in 1902. It needs hot and wet climate conditions. Rubber growing area are Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Spices. India has been world famous for its spices since ancient times. These spices mostly used for flavoring of tampering, cooked food and for preparing medicine. Horticulture. Horticulture crops. It refers to the cultivation of fruits, flowers and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are important supplement to the human diet as it provides essential minerals, vitamins and fiber required to maintaining health. India is a second position in the production of the fruit and vegetables. Livestock. Livestock is an integral component of farming system in India. Livestock sector is socially and economically very significant due to its multifunctional output and contribution to the socio-cultural security. It also helps to improve the food and nutritional security by providing nutrient rich food product, generate income and employment and act as a cushion against the crop failure. Cattle. Cattle consist of 37.3% of livestock population in India. India has second largest cattle population after the Brazil. Wild breed, drought breed, mixed breed. Coats. Coat is the poor man's cow providing the milk, meat, skin and hair. It is the main source of the meat for country. Buffaloes. Buffaloes are important source of the milk supply for India. Uttar Pradesh has the highest number of buffaloes. Dairy, meat and wool production. According to 2016 to 17 census held by the state animal husbandry department, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. Fisheries. Fisheries in India are very important economic activity and flourishing sector with varied source and potential. Fishing in India is a major industry in its coastal states, employing over 14 million people. It produces about 3% of world fish and occupies a second place among the fish production nation of the world after China. Marine fishings, inland fishings. Marine fishings. It is include coastal, of offshore and deep sea fisheries, mainly on the continental shelves. Kerala leads in the marine fish production in India. Inland fishing. Rivers, lakes, canals, reservoirs, ponds, tanks, etc. are the source of fresh water for freshwater fisheries. About 50% of country total fish production comes from the inland fisheries and Andhra Pradesh is the leading producer of fish. In our country, major issues faced by the farmers in India. Small and fragment land holdings, high cost of inputs, infertile soil, lack of irrigations, lack of mechanization, soil erosion. Largest tract of fertile land suffer from the soil erosion by the wind and water. Agriculture marketing. Due to the absence of sound marketing facility, the farmers have to depend on the local traders and middlemen for the disposal of their farm product, which is sold at a low price. Besides that, there is a problem for the farmers. Inadequate storage facilities. There is no inadequate storage facility in the farmers. Inadequate transport. One of the main handicaps within Indian agriculture is the lack of cheap and efficient means of transportation. Security of capital. Agriculture is an important industry which requires a huge capital. The role of capital plays a major role in the purchase of advanced farm machineries and equipments. The Indian farmers faced by the problem, you can see the picture here. The rain, wild animals, shock hazards, electricity, deficient terrain, labor, fuel. These are all major problem for Indian farmers. Today, the finish the lesson India agriculture students. Next, we start the history third lesson, Second World War. Thank you, students.